guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to another episode of Fall Favorite Flavor.
Festive Fall Flavors.
That's the word. Festive. And welcome back to our second episode of Festive Fall Flavors. Recipes.
Festive Fall Flavors.
No recipes.
Festive Fall Flavors.
Okay, I thought you had recipes in there somewhere. We're gonna do a ground turkey stir fry, which is delicious and very flexible to fit your vegetable loving needs. We're going to make egg breakfast muffins. Egg muffins are fantastic because you can make a ton of them and then just heat them up throughout the week. They're a wonderful source of protein and vegetables, and they just taste super yummy. And you can go crazy. I mean, put some bacon in there, put some turkey bacon, put some sausage, but please make sure you cook that stuff up. Don't put it in there raw. Just be smart. So sit back, enjoy, maybe take some notes or don't. The recipes are going to be down in the description, and I hope you enjoy the recipes. Today I'm going to show you one of our favorite combinations, which is eggs, salt and pepper, baby spinach, and sun-ripened dried tomatoes. Okay, so just crack your eggs, put them in the bowl, whisk them all around, add some salt and pepper to taste, and then you're going to pour them into muffin tins, add in your ingredients once they're in the muffin tins. I'll show you the next step in a minute. Now we've come to the time when we're going to actually put the eggs into the muffin tin. We're just going to take some olive oil spray the pan. Just make sure you spray it well enough so that it doesn't stick to the sides. You don't want that. I sprayed it way too much. No! Next step, we're going to pour the eggs in. Now you can season the eggs beforehand like I did. See, they're nice and seasoned in here, or you can wait until they're in the cup. So you're going to scoop your eggs into the muffin tin. Don't fill it all the way up because the egg rises. So you're going to want it to be like 3/4 full. That's a better one than the first one. Plus you need to save room for your goodies, your add-ins. Eggs are in. It's time to add our ingredients that we want to add in. Just drop them in. They'll cook in nice. And then you pop it in the oven. Breakfast is served. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's try this again. Okay, you know it is ready. Oh my goodness. Look how delicious and perfect those look. I want to eat it right now. Now we're moving on to the ground turkey stir fry. We love ground turkey stir fry. And we especially love different kinds of squashes and zucchinis and green beans and carrots and all kinds of things. But you just pick basically your favorite 4 or 5 veggies. Squash and zucchini, green beans. It's easy, it's fast. It's one of the cheaper meals that you can make. It's a great meal to have with guests, or it's a great meal to have just on a regular Tuesday night. It's a very impressive meal, but it can also be done with just what you have in your freezer. I mean, it really is versatile. We cook it often, and Nick cooks it even better than I do, so
all I do is win, 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 no matter what.
He might be the right person to do this, but you got me, so sit back. And you can make double batches, and it lasts a long time. You just toss all of these friends into a skillet. You can add in whatever vegetables you prefer. Best of all, it tastes amazing. Like, it shouldn't be super good for you, but it is absolutely healthy. Okay, I have generously olive oiled the bottom of my pan. I'm gonna put my veggies into the pan. And even if it comes up to the very top of it, that's okay because they're gonna cook down. And then I'm gonna add the meat in once they're cooked. Make sure you have a lid because you're effectively steaming the veggies as you're cooking them. Okay, so we're getting to the stage of the meat where we can kind of chop it up into little tiny bits. This is also where I like to just give it another seasoning, especially I I especially like to use a lot more chili powder. Turkey can sometimes be difficult to retain flavor, so it's good to season it.
Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
I'm gonna let these cook a little bit longer. I'd like to see them tender before I put the meat in. Okay, it's time to add in the meat. We've got nice and tender veggies here. It's got good flavor. All of the veggies have been seasoned. A wok would be really good for this. There's not much space for a wok in an RV. And if you are thinking, that's cute, but my kids won't eat vegetables, well then I would like to direct you to our video on how to get your children to eat vegetables.
Just follow these 5 quick steps and parenting hacks, and you'll be well on your way to a happy, healthy family.
This is where you have to be super careful while you stir in the turkey. All right, now this one is ready to serve. So there you have it. I really hope you enjoyed the stir fry and the egg muffins. I want you to try them and leave what you think down in the comments. If you have other recipes that you think, oh, this is a fantastic fall meal, or I Pinterest this one time, but I don't know the best way to make it gluten-free, bring it on. I love a challenge and I'd love to show it to you. And if you really like our content, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and comment, and just kind of say, whoop, whoop, you're doing a great job, because we love that too. All right, see you later. Happy fall. Auf Wiedersehen. Adios, partner. Cheers. Bye.
Okay, pause or stop.